SEMA is for sure a life-changing event every year. Always so many products, so many services, so many vehicles to look at. But I can tell you that a year ago, I came to SEMA looking for that product, looking for something to revolutionize my business, something to increase profitability, looking for an incredible company. I wanted the best. I wanted the best company, the best product, the best support. So I found Ceramic Pro a year ago. We started with Ceramic Pro last December, and over the course of less than 12 months, we've tripled our gross revenue and doubled our net profit as a result of simply following the Ceramic Pro plan. A lot of companies, a lot of products, they'll sell you anything they have, but they don't give you the system. They don't show you where the front door is to help you understand, how do I go from buying the product at SEMA to actually putting money in the bank? With Ceramic Pro, they're going to give you a complete turnkey system and then be there with you to help you turn every page, figure out every aspect, and their goal and my goal is to help you make a lot of money.